Hello viewers, welcome to another vlog of our Meghalaya trip. Today we are traveling to Lathlum to enjoy the canyon view of the Khasi Hills. Oh, by the way, the links of my previous Shillong vlogs are in the description box. Please do check them out if you are free. The Lathlum Canyon is situated at the edge of a cliff that offers a unique glimpse of the beauty of Shillong. This is basically situated in Smith Valley, which remains covered in fog for most of the time, adding to the mystery and sublime beauty of this place. On our way to Lathlum, you can enjoy these highlands which resembles to those of Scotland, often called as the Scottish Highlands. Even before you visit the spot, this journey from Shillong is enough to please you. Like the purity is something which you can feel every time you are here. The roads and surroundings are unbelievably clean, and these views of highlands rejuvenate you to the core. Finally reached the Lathlum Valley. बॉस, मैं जितना कवर कर सकता हूँ मैं कर रहा हूँ, बट यहाँ पे आके ही वो मज़ा लेना होगा आप लोगों को। जो रास्ता है इतना साफ है भाई, मतलब यू जस्ट कैन बिलीव कि इतना कैसे साफ हो सकता है। हवा इतना प्योर है, हर जगह बिल्कुल साफ ही साफ है। जितना फिर से कह रहा हूँ, जितना हो सके मेरे से मैं कवर कर रहा हूँ, पर यहाँ पे आके ही आपको मज़ा लेना है। पहले तो आप इस व्यू का एंजॉय कीजिए। So we are climbing up the Lathlum Valley. This is we are here in mid-April. I feel this is the best time to visit this, because if you visit in June, July or later, in June, July you will find rainfall that may spoil your mood, and also in October, November, December you will have chilling cold here. So I feel April would be the best time to come here. Yep. Though it's though it's not raining here, but this wind, you can see me like I'm wearing just half t-shirt. Like I have came from Shillong where it's almost humid, but here this wind, because we are climbing up, the more we are climbing up, the more windy it is. So now I'm feeling some cold, but anyway I'm like enjoying this moment. What a view. So this is the Lathlum Valley. You have watched my previous shots, and I hope you can realize that why this is called the Scotland of the East. From Shillong, it's in 1.5 hour distance. You have to take the Mizoram highway and have to come to this Lathlum Valley. This valley is also known as the Sid Valley. So this is the Lathlum Valley Canyon. We are just at the peak here. The flow of tourists is relatively low here, because of which we can see very neat and clean here. Most of the time, like throughout the year, this place is like covered with fog and mist, which basically adds to its eternal beauty. A perfect place to start your hiking savings. So down this valley, there is a village of Meghalayan inhabitants, like of 3,000 people living here, which will basically attract you if you are, which basically called like Rose Soham. The name of the village is Rose Soham, and if you want to interact with the local humans, you can go down and visit there. unfortunately we are here in the April, so we can't make you see the stream. This Laithlum Valley has 4 streams. If you visit in June, July or maybe August, you can see the streams falling from here. This is like under an ancient wooden bridge where you will find 4 streams falling from this Laithlum Valley. A magnificent view you will get from this. Also from those streams you can have 270-degree view of this Laithlum Valley. So if you are planning to come in June, July and August, don't miss that. Some local vendors for your service. मैच बॉक्स भूल गए तो कोयले पे तंदूरी सिगार. Thank you. So I hope you have liked this vlog. I tried my best to bring you guys close to nature from your drawing room, and if you have liked this video, please like the vlog and do comment us what you want us to explore next in Shillong, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with some more exciting vlogs for you. See you in next vlog.